Inside the human body exists a powerful system that works silently every day, the digestive system. From the very first bite, digestion begins in the mouth, where food is broken down both mechanically and chemically. Once swallowed, food travels through the esophagus, pushed downward by rhythmic muscular movements called peristalsis. The stomach acts as a strong chemical chamber, releasing powerful acids and enzymes. Here, food is transformed into a semi-liquid substance known as chyme. This mixture is carefully released into the small intestine for further processing. The small intestine is the most important part of digestion. Its inner surface is covered with millions of tiny structures called villi. These villi absorb amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals into the bloodstream. Glucose, the primary energy molecule, is also absorbed here. The liver produces bile, a substance that helps break down fats. The gallbladder stores and releases bile when needed. The pancreas releases essential digestive enzymes that speed up nutrient breakdown. Undigested material now enters the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed, and helpful bacteria produce essential vitamins. The remaining waste is prepared for elimination. Nutrients absorbed from digestion travel through the bloodstream. Glucose enters body cells with the help of insulin. Inside the cell, glucose becomes the main fuel for energy production. The first stage of energy production is called glycolysis. In the cytoplasm, glucose is broken down into smaller molecules, producing a small amount of ATP. These molecules then enter the mitochondria. The mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Inside it, the Krebs cycle extracts high-energy electrons. Carbon dioxide is released as a waste product during this process. Electrons move through the electron transport chain. This movement creates a proton gradient across the membrane. ATP synthase uses this energy to produce large amounts of ATP. ATP is the energy currency of the body. It powers muscle movement, brain activity, and every vital function. Digestion and cellular respiration are deeply connected. Food becomes nutrients, nutrients become energy. This energy fuels the entire human body. A healthy digestive system ensures efficient energy production. What you eat directly affects how well your body performs. Respect your digestion, because energy begins with food.